and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is mastering the success mind game. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area, we have placed the colors we will be using with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this title slide, we want to play with arrows. The first thing we will do is color the background. Right click Format Background. We choose Fill Solid Fill Color with eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Close Format Background. Now we want to insert 5 arrows. We go to Insert Shapes. We choose from block arrows the arrow chevron. Click inside the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Size Height 19.05 centimeter. It's about 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 8.5 centimeter. It's about 3.34 inches if you have inches in your settings, and we put it in the desired position. Then right click copy, right click paste. We copy it another 4 times. Right click copy, right click paste. Right click paste, and we put it in the desired position. Right click copy, right click paste. Then we go right click Format Shape. We set transparency to see more clearly, and we want to cut the parts that is outside of the design area. With the subtract command, we go to Insert Shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the outside of the design area, drag and release it, and we put it here. Click the arrow, then shift pressed click the rectangle, shape format, subtract. Then we choose all the arrows, shape format, shape outline, no outline. Then again we go right click Format Shape to set the transparency at 0%. And that's it. With click, shift press click, shift press click, shift press click, shift press click, right click group and group. Then we want to insert a picture inside the arrows. Insert pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert, click insert, right click cut. Click right click Format Shape the arrows, picture or texture fill, click clipboard. Then we want to insert the title. Insert text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home ribbon Banscript font, size 36, color with eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our title. Unleashing your inner champion, mastering the success mind game. Now we put it in the desired position, and now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from home ribbon Banscript font again, size 24, color with eyedropper, the second color from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name. Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert 2 rectangles to frame the title and the presenter's name. We go to Insert, Shapes, click Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape Format, Shape Outline, no outline. Right click Format Shape. we go to fill gradient fill and we put 4 gradient stops. We go to the first gradient stop, color eyedropper, we choose the first color from the rectangles for the left side outside of the design area. We go to second gradient stop, eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area for rectangles. The third color gradient stop, we choose eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, and the last gradient stop, eyedropper, we choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area. Right click, send to back, and right click copy, right click paste, and we put it, right click send to back, and we put it below the presenter's name. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put the animations. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go to image, animations, entrance fly in, start with previews, duration 1.50, effect options from right, we want it from right. We go to the first rectangle, entrance fly in again, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options from left. We go to the second rectangle, entrance fly in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options from left. We go to the title, entrance fly in, start after previews, duration 1.50, effect options from left. We go to the presenter's name, entrance fly in again, start after previews, duration 1.50, effect options from left. And now we go to the title, shift press to the presenter's name, we go to shape format text effects, to the bevel, we choose from the first column, the second row, the first bevel. And now we are ready to click the slideshow button down here to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!